almost 7:30. I've been up for a little bit editing a thumbnail for Saturday's video, and baby just woke up, and so I'm going to get started on breakfast for us, and then we're going to head outside and go take care of the chickens and milk the cow. Yeah.
Right now we're in the process of changing the corral system. So we're kind of just got this Jimmy rigged until we get a nice little barn built for her. So I'm just washing up her bag and getting her clean. Try to keep the milk clean as possible. We get it cleaned up around everywhere so we don't have stuff falling down. It'd be nice to have a regular stanchion, but right now we're milking her chute because we don't have one set up over here yet. Milk some milk out first to get some bacteria.
So this is our cow Sunshine. She is a Holstein cow. She's a first-time heifer, so that means this is the first time that she's had a calf. Actually raised 2 calves just because she gave so much milk. The person that we bought her from had put a second calf on her to nurse, just so that he wouldn't have to milk her as much. So we bought her last March, and we didn't milk her over the summer just because we had a lot going on. But we started milking her again. Now that it is springtime, she has started giving about 2 gallons of milk a day. So we have a lot of milk. So Obie is our speed milker, so he gets the job of milking most of the time. Usually it takes me about 45 minutes to milk her, but Obie can get it done in about 10 minutes. So he is super fast, so he gets to do this job a lot.
sunshine.
Say bye-bye to Cal.
I am working on a fence for my mother-in-law to keep her cows in. Her cows like to get out. I don't. Naughty cows. As my dad would say, part of the old ranch biz.
So I just finished doing the morning dishes and I've started cleaning the milk bucket. I have it soaking with some bleach. Now I am going to be making some butter and some ricotta cheese. So on whole milk like this, the cream separates from the rest of the milk and goes to the top. And so we're able to scoop the cream off and then make things like butter or ice cream or sour cream or whatever. So I don't know if you can really see that dividing line here. So this is the cream and this is the milk. So during the spring and summer when the cow's on some good green grass, she produces a lot thicker cream. Okay, so I'm gonna make ricotta cheese real quick, and while I'm waiting for this to warm up, I'm gonna do a quick vacuuming over the floor. just finished washing 120 million dishes, and baby's down for a nap. I just finished making lunch, and I've been working on this little end table for the past couple days, and I'm ready to take it outside and start sanding it, sanding some of the places that I've filled in that the veneer's chipped off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this outside and grab my sander and start working. A couple weeks ago, our little kitty had kittens in our house. So she's been hanging out in this box with her 4 little kittens. And Justice loves coming in and saying hi to them. Gentle. Real careful. Good job. Alright, she's gonna go night-night. Night-night. What would you like? How are you?
How did I get that? Thank you.
Up there.
Not you.
Oh. Okay, we are gonna go on some service calls. We're running Justice up to my mom's house to babysat, and Obie and I are gonna go do a maintenance and a service call.
Yeah, we are. We're headed on a service call. Complaint was there was no heat. Well, they had a failed gas valve, but the stove was probably from the 60s, so it's, or furnace, so it's gonna be kind of difficult to get apart, but we'll see.
Off to our next one.
It's always fun working on 1960s stuff.
Oh yeah.
I did, yeah, I was lost. So, yeah, I'm like, this boat doesn't look like it's been traveling.
Oh, split her. How do you like find your way?
Noise. I hear it, and that's where I follow. Got a good ear for units. Ooh, dark, light. Oh, that's a nice one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check amp draws, check for how clean the unit is, see if there's any abnormal amps, just to see if everything's working properly. Check the blower, all that good stuff. Condensate pump need clean.
So we just finished the maintenance and we are headed home. We're gonna go get baby, and then we're gonna go get some furniture.
Something was given away.
Because someone was giving away some furniture and I can't resist.
Good friends of ours.
Yeah.
Done some work for her, became good friends with them.
So the house was like right up there. Who would have ever thought? I had no idea there was a house up there. Anyway, sorry. So we might just go out to eat tonight because it's kind of late and I don't have dinner quite made yet. So maybe he'll take me out to eat.
You have to be really good.
All right, so heading to go pick up furniture. Alright, so we just got back home. It has been a very long day and I have a truckload of stuff. Okay, so anyways, we just got home. We ate out at a Mexican restaurant for dinner and now I have a truckload full of stuff. I went to pick up 2 tables and I ended up with a pickup truckload. I don't know where I'm gonna put this stuff. But anyways, I will have a unboxing video of going through everything that I got and I'll be sharing that with you later. Anyways, that is all for today. If you hung around this long and for this crazy day, good for you. That is all that we have for today. I will see you guys in a later video. Say bye-bye.